Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video, I will be taking a look at some of the SUVs and MUVs in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Now in the description, there are also some promotions and sales of some online products, so you can check out the links, and if you are interested, you can buy. Drop the links in the description. Let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. Ford EcoSport white color, the old variant. This is the old version. Let's take a look at the information. So this is Ford EcoSport 2014 model, has done 99,000 kilometers, first owner, and the asking price is 7.75. And now let's take a look at the car from the outside. So it has alloy wheels, slight scratches on the mirrors, body colored handles and cladding. There's a roof rack too. This is the petrol variant. Again, back profile of the car, right side profile. And now let me show you the interiors. I hope it's open. So this is an automatic actually. So petrol automatic with steering mounted controls and music system, but no touchscreen. There's a small screen here. Auto dimming mirrors, split seat covers, and see, you can see the automatic system. Now let's move on to the next car. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, silver color. Front, you can see we have the fog lights in this. No scratches in the front. Slightly you can see on the dent, on the bonnet. 2013 ZDI model, 72,000 kilometers. This is the diesel variant, first owner. So we have the DDIS 1.3 liter. Asking price is 7.50. Comes with alloy wheels, body colored mirrors, handles. And now let's take a look at the left profile of the car. Side one scratch is there here, slight scratches on this side too. Slight, I can see the slight dent over there. ZDI comes with ABS. Let me show you the interiors. So we can see instantly that it has seat covers, integrated music system, manual AC, steering mounted controls, dual tone dashboard, and grey, almost grey color doors. So this is an 8-seater car, and second row also gets armrest. Third row I'll show you. So that is the third row, and this was the Ertiga. Maruti Ertiga, light blue color. I'll show you the information first. So this is a 2013 model, has done 65,000 kilometers, first owner, diesel, 1.3 liter DDIS, 7.75 is the asking price. Comes with fog lights, front profile of the car. Let me show you the right profile and then I'll show you the left profile. Pretty nicely maintained. Alloy wheels. Body colored mirrors, body colored handles. Now let's see the back profile. So LUV of the year, lifestyle utility vehicle ZDI. Comes with rear parking sensors. I don't think there is camera in this. Again here protection added, side protection. Interiors of the car comes with integrated music system, manual AC controls. This is a manual transmission. Again I don't think this is seat cover, this is original seats. There's an armrest for the second row. There's also extra blower you can see for the second row. Integrated steering mounted controls, and yeah, that's the Ertiga. Toyota Innova. This is the G variant. Slightly in front we have this LED strip, and let me show you the information now. So Toyota Innova Crysta 2016-17 model GX. Diesel, has done 35,000 kilometers, grey color, first owner, 2.8 liter engine, and insurance is comprehensive. Asking price is 18 lakhs. So side profile of the car, it comes with alloy wheels, very nicely maintained. I can't find any scratches on this actually. With fog lights, body colored mirrors, body colored handles, integrated mirrors too. And let me show you the side profile and also the back profile. So side you can see no scratches at all, very nicely maintained. Back profile you can see it's 2.8 liter G. And now let me show you the interiors. So all black interiors. It comes with touchscreen system, steering mounted controls, black seats. Oh, this is also an automatic you can see, and pretty nicely maintained manual AC because this is the G variant. And that was the interior of the Innova Crysta. This is Mahindra XUV500, white color. And the information if you need for this vehicle, you should contact the number in the description. Alloy wheels, body colored mirrors, body colored handles, back profile. This is the W10 variant. So this comes with roof, this rain visor, sorry. This is an accessory added. Interiors. So this comes with integrated music system, 6-speed manual transmission, steering mounted controls, and there is ambient lighting too, as you can see. Back seats, slightly wear and tear you can see here because of the usage. Other than that I can't see. Even on the seats slight marking is there, but there's nothing like tone and all. Even here you can see lighting. Back seats. India's favorite SUV in the premium segment, we have the Fortuner, white color. Projector headlamps, fog lights. This is actually the headlight washer. For information about this car, you have to contact the number in description. And here we can see we have alloy wheels here, black color. So as you can see, for this car information is not available, so you should contact to get the information. So body colored mirrors, rain visors, again chrome handles. This part is an accessory added. Diesel. So even the tires have been changed. I think this is not the stock tire that the car comes in. 3.3 liter D4D back profile, and again right side profile. This is the JK tire, you can see. Interiors of the Fortuner comes with steering mounted controls, you can see, integrated music system, touch screen, again automatic climate control, 5-speed manual transmission. This is no seat covers, this is the original ones. Pretty decent, nicely maintained, you can see there is no signs of wear and tear. Slightly on the seats, other than that pretty clean. Back seats comes with armrest. This is a 8-seater car, so you can see there's a third row too. And that was the Fortuner. For information about the pricing and other details, you need to contact the number in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And now the pricing was not in my hands. Whatever the dealer has decided is what I've shown you. This video is only about giving you an idea of how the pricing is in Bangalore market. So if you're interested, number and address in description, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about these cars in the description below. That's it for now. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.